Okay. Okay. Good evening. Good evening to all, and welcome to the session. Good evening, Bharat Rasa. Good evening, and Ravi Kiran. Good evening, Hariharan, Harish, Sharanappa. Good evening, and Karthika. Good evening, Jyotika. Good evening, and Gopi Krishnan. Good evening. Good evening to all, and Sri Krishnan. Good evening. As Bharti Patel. Good evening, and Venkateshan. Good evening. So Sumit Kumar. Good evening. So good evening to all, and welcome to all. Welcome to the session. So previous session we all see about IMDb dataset to create some kind of plottings like visual templates. So how can we create that? So in this end of the masterclass, we will see how can we create using three different dataset, then three different dashboard. Okay, already I show you like the Netflix dataset. I will show the one dashboard image, sample image, right? So that kind of format we can creating individually, like using Netflix dataset as well as IMDb dataset as well as another data, that is IPL dataset. So using three different genres, three different dataset to creating the three different dashboard. So last 2 days we will see full and full. We will see about this kind of dashboard creation. Okay. So today is an IPL insights at your fingertips with Power BI. So how we can implement this IPL data in our Power BI tool. So already we see the lots of functions, lots of functions. How can we create the new measure and the new columns? How can we implement that? Convert our data into our convenient format. How can create new columns and bins and list. So these kind of things already we see that, right? So today we are going to see like what is how can we import the IPL data, and I will show you one or two templates to create the dashboard. So this is our today's session's concept. Okay. So now you see this is our final output dashboard. This is the overall this picture is called as a dashboard. So you see that why we can say like the dashboard means, so we can decide that particular values. So you see that the winner option is there, season wise, team 1 and team 2 wise is there. So winner wise I can choosing the winner name like RCB or CSK or like Chennai Super Kings or Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Lucknow Super Giants and Kolkata Knight Riders. So based on the IPL team wise, cricket team wise, we will choose. For example, I will choose Chennai Super Kings like CSK. So in that particular CSK team, which kind of cities the particular team will be played, which kind of cities is played, and overall winner count of this particular CSK team, and how many times the toss winning team that particular CSK, and the season wise how many times the particular team winning. So I was choosing one value, in that particular value in applied in the all kind of field. So each and this is one kind of field, this is one kind of field. Based on the field wise, the particular values will be assigned. Now I choosing one value, that is CSK will decided in this place, choosing CSK option like CSK team. So now the city wise, the mapping wise, the team's participation location is showed, and city wise is like text wise is showing, and toss winning count wise the CSK team's range and color range. So how many times the CSK will be the clash within another team, how many matches will be winning by that opponent team. So season wise, year wise, how many times winning, like that wise. So this is the way we can creating the dashboard like this format. So we are using the IPL data with the help of the Power BI. We can create that. Okay. So now I will directly entering into the Power BI. In final days, in this end of the masterclass, last 2 days, we will see one by one how can we create the data dashboard like that. Okay, so now create a blank report and importing the data. So as usual, same like that format. So we have three options. So now in this, okay, now here we can click the get data button is there, and here also the get data option, like data source option is there, and now in this place also data source option is there. So wherever we want, we can choose. If I give the get data in this place, it's asking the sources of the data. So I'm choosing the CSV file format and connect that, and it's going to my location, like a file manager location, and going to the select select the folder. I have IPL data set, and I will choose the like deliveries or matches. I have two kind of files based on the thing. First I choosing the matches. So how many wherever the match will be there, like what is the conducted, so how many times winning. So based on the details, split it into the two kind of data. So now I choose that. As usual, same format. The particular data set first is asking you what you want. So if you directly load your data or you transform your data. So once we check, so any null values is there or not. So now once I go to the transform data and confirm that its null values are there or not. Okay, so now okay, so ID is no needed, so we cannot visual that in ID wise, so it's no needed. Season wise we can check. So now years is there, right? 2007 and 8, 2009, 11, 12, like that. Only fully years is there. So there is no null value. So do you see this? The null value is not there. So then I'm going to city wise. So any city is not there. So based on the cities, so Abu Dhabi, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru. So Bangalore is having two. Okay. So Boli, Fontaine, and Cape Town, Centurion, Chandigarh, Chennai, Kathak, Delhi, Dharamshala, Dubai, Durban, East London, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Mumbai, Nagpur. So now I'm choosing one particular value, that is Bangalore wise. So I click the Bangalore. How many matches we played, like conducted in the Bangalore? In 2007 and 8, mostly the Bangalore cities, the match will be conducted. So the stadium is the Chinnaswamy Stadium. The player of the match detail and the match type is a league match or tournament, and venue is the Chinnaswamy Stadium. So mostly the Bangalore is having Chinnaswamy Stadium only. Then only the stadium also same like that. And the team one, so mostly RCB is what is that? Is there? So Gujarat Lions is there, and Sunrisers Hyderabad and Mumbai Indians. So team 2, the opponent team is KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders, Kingston Punjab, and Delhi Daredevils, Sunrisers Hyderabad. So based on the time, so season wise, which time will be class. So toss winner. So RCB winning this toss in first match, like in 2007 and 8 in this Chinnaswamy Stadium, the RCB wins the toss. Toss decision is a fielding, and the winner is a same KKR winner, the particular match winner. Result is a runs wise winning, and result margin is a 140 runs, highest rating. So target run is a 223, the target over is a 20, and super over is not super over, and the method is not mentioned, and umpire name is there. So this is the way we can decide. So already I show you, right? Already I told you how can we manually give select the filters. So once I click this, so now again I will adding the another data, that is deliveries. So deliveries also needed because it's only having toss winning only is there. So I'm choosing the deliveries file also. In this particular delivery file, how many times winning, so exact location, so this kind of things there, like bowling team, batting team, and over how many overs, and the ball count, batter, who is the batting guy count, bowler name, striker name. So lots of details present, and some null value is also present in this particular delivery. So now you see this. So now where the extract type is having lots of null values. So once we can give her empty, and then so mostly the fielders and the player dismissed there, the dismissal kind is not there. 1 or 2 values only present, so otherwise it's not there. So the Gambhir is having the dismissed player in which one, which match is there, finite index. So first innings the Gambhir will be dismissed in this particular match. And stump, so the dismissal kind is a stumping out, and the fielder is a AC Gilchrist. So mostly that these last 3 columns is don't have a values, so 1 or 2 values is presented. Okay, so this is the way we can filter the value and removing the columns. So already I show you. So removing the particular ID column is no needed. Remove that, and season is needed, and the city is needed, and the date. In this date is having which type is having. Give a right click and change type. So now is having date wise. So we are converting into the text wise also we can convert. So give a text wise means it's converting the text format. And the match type is a league match or tournament, like that way is there. Elementar, final, league, qualifier, semi-final, like that way. So now I choose the final way. So final wise the match type is in 2007 the Mumbai the winner is Rajasthan Royals. Finally the winner is Rajasthan Royal or RB. So I will remove the filter in match type. Okay, then okay, so now we are entering into the visualization part. Wait a second, guys. Okay, so now apply these changes, close and apply. So the all applies will present in my current data. So now the matches and deliveries, both data are importing in my data field. So it takes some time. Okay, again it's getting error. So what is the error of this? So yeah, so now in this particular matches, I think which one is that, yeah, matches call like per data is having error values, that is the target runs and target overs, the both columns having errors. So now I am removing the errors. So I'm going to apply this remove rows and removing the errors. So now I will apply this one. Okay, so now I will creating the part, like visualization part, matches. So first I will creating the slicer, so like choosing options. So what is our main motto? So how many times the winner is there? So what is the winner name? So now the winner column is there. So now I create a slicer to visualizing the winner part. So I select this winner column to present in this particular field, that is slicer field. So slicer is choosing these values, choosing the value. Easy to select that and pick the values. So now winner names are there. So CSK and Deccan, DC Deccan Chargers, Delhi Capitals, and Delhi Daredevils, Gujarat Lions, Gujarat Titans, and Kings Punjab, and Kochi Tuskers, Kolkata Knight Riders, Lucknow, and Mumbai Indians. So now NA, like null values is present in this winner column, so we cannot see properly. You see that the NA option is there. NA means non amount, that means non null value, none of the amount, like that. So we cannot properly see the check in this one, so then only the null value is present. Okay, fine. So if I remove this means I'm going to edit query editor. Now you give a right click in this web data and going to click this edit query. This edit query is directly going to our Power Query editor. Okay. Where is my Power Query? Yeah. So winner column having null values, some null values. Okay, I will click this. Yeah, the NA is there. So now I click this, deselect this one or remove empty, anything. So I give a remove empty means so the null and the blank both are removed. So now I okay this. So again I going to check all of us. So no result, runs, tie or wicket wise. Okay, now just wait a second. Okay, so now I apply these changes into my main data. Okay, again it's getting error. So what is the error? Okay, same error. I think the same columns is having error. The target run, target over. Okay, fine. So once I will remove this plot and again importing my winner one, because I will removing the error, right? So again I give the winner into my slicer. Where is slicer? Yeah. Select the slicer and going to passing my value, that is winner. So now the NA is not there. Okay, now it's also there. So now I am converting the format of this particular visual. So going to slicer setting. Already show you the slicer setting is having some types. So vertical list means the all movies, so like all details showing like this list format. So the CSK like list format, order wise the names are there. So if I change this into tile, so button wise is there, the tiles button wise is there. If I go into the drop down means, so now it's hiding into that particular option. If I click this drop down button, all values is showing like this format, like list format wise I'll show you. If I choosing the Rising Pune Super Giant, so in this particular select in this particular team how many matches winning how many times winning the toss. So these kind of details is presenting in applied in the all kind of plots. Okay, so this is the way we can creating the all things. So now we can decide it into the season wise also we can decide. Again creating the slicer. Okay, yeah, so again creating the slicer. So where is the season? Yeah, now click the season. Okay, season is having only 2017. Yeah, because I selecting the Rising Pune Super Giant. So now only the one particular team's year only is showing. So now this one also same like that. The match is having the seasons. So this is the format which will also same like that. Go to slice setting. Now it's having the drop down or tile format like this. So tile means it is showing like this. So if I give a movies this one, so to 2023 is which one team is there, how much of matches winning, so which team is the winner of this year, winner of the player of the match. So these kind of details presenting in this particular season plot. Okay, just this one. So this one also we can visual into the drop down method. That is easy to. It's not taking much space. So again store it in this place. So season wise and winner wise we can creating the slicer. So again team wise. So I will choosing the team or city. So city also same like this. So city, we can choose the city and yeah, pass it the values and changing the slicing type. So same drop down. So now winner wise and season wise, city wise we can creating this slicer. So now you see that I click the Punjab Kings. This Punjab Kings is having only 4 years because already select this particular slicer. The particular team is a Punjab Kings. So in this particular Punjab Kings teams playing the seasons are 2021, 2022, 23 and 24 only. And the cities are we can choose the cities. So when it comes like this, it's not like it comes all cities. Only the particular Punjab Knights Kings, the particular Punjab team played the sittings only showing like that. So Ahmedabad, the Punjab team will be played, and Chandigarh, Chennai, Delhi, and Dubai. This kind of cities only the Punjab team will be played. If I deselect this one, so now you see is one. See showing so much of cities. So the Rajpur, Ranchi, Sharjah, Nagpur is not present in that particular selecting option. Now you see this. I click the Chennai. So in this particular Chennai city, how many times the Chennai city is playing the year? So season wise, which season is played like worked in this particular Chennai. So which kind of teams played in this particular Chennai city? That data is only present here. So based on the selection option wise, the particular changes will be applied all kind of values. Okay. So now next I'm going to create in the mapping. Okay, my screen is blurred. Okay, wait a second. So now it's okay. Now it's okay or not? So like adjusting my internet. Okay. Fine. So next one. We are creating the mapping. So we have a location. So like city's location is there, right? So we can create the map. In this particular map is having show the particular location in mapping wise. Okay, John, we like kindly check it your internet. My side is not issue, so I am adjusting my internet. Okay. So now we're creating the map and passing my city's location. So now you're showing like this format. So now the most of the cities is having the India, and also Africa is having most of the cities. So right in this inside the India only. So inside the India, the most of the matches are conducted, like arranged. Now this one is Ahmedabad, and this one is Indore, and it's the Ranchi and Lucknow, and it's the Chennai, and it's the Bangalore and Kochi. So now I'm going to move on my cursor into the particular bubbles, automatically showing the city's name. So Sharjah and Abu Dhabi, as well as what is that? This one is Johannesburg. So again is that Durban and East London and Port Elizabeth, and this one is the Cape Town. So based on the particular bubbles, I'm going to my cursor. So move on to my cursor, automatically the city name will be shown. If you need a city name standardly, so you're going to the format visual. That particular option is there. So the map settings is there. So you can change in the setting of like a visually looking appearance. We can change. So aerial view means it shows like a satellite view. So in our Google Map is having the satellite view, right? So in this one is showing the satellite view. If it zoom it, then we can see in the real mapping like that ways. So once I zoom out and show the Hyderabad. So now the Hyderabad is there. So I will only post it into the city. So the particular city's center location only showing in this one. So Hyderabad is in center of the city only showing the particular marker bubble will be showed. If you need a stadium means I will importing the stadium in this particular place. In this particular cities I need a stadium location. If I need this, I will pass it to my values in this particular map. Then only the stadium location and stadium's picture will be, we can see in like this format, aerial format. And if you need a dark means the dark like short, like the full black and white like that. And if you need a area like light means so common light view, and the grayscale view is also there, like grayscale, and the road. So roadway is there. So roads. So it's a professional and good looking is grayscale. Grayscale is looking good, and I have to changing this one. So controls, I go into the controls means the zoom in zoom out button, the lasso button, and the geocoding culture, like this kind of thing. If I need it, I will adjusting the values. So this full and full the user's wish. So the bubbles, going to the bubbles means I will increasing the size of the bubbles. So now the bubble size will be increase or decrease like that way. So that is our wish. We can increase or decrease the bubble size, and changing the color of this particular bubbles. So now the blue color is there. I'm changing the color like that in black. Black wise I will change, or violet. So whatever I need I will changing the color. So next one is a label. Category label means is showing the particular bubbles city name. If I on this one, on this particular option, so now you see the NA North America is showing, and the next one is Durban. So the Durban city name is showing like this. The East London, Cape Town, the particular bubbles. If I going to move on to the cursor, or then only the particular bubble city name will be showed. If you give on the particular categorical label option, automatically it's showing that particular city's name. If you need this, you can enable this. If you don't need, you can turn off this particular categorical label. Okay, so that's it. So next one is the heat map. The heat map means which city is having highest range. So mostly the particular what is that in this one, the Sharjah city is only Sharjah and Dubai city is only having conducted in the most of the matches. So the based on the count match conducted count wise, the particular bubbles gradient will be show. The what is that? The shades will be show. So it's not good. Once it's looking good like that. So this is the way we can creating the maps. So otherwise is the general options. So properties means the particular size of this particular plotting and title of this particular plotting. So we need city is there. If we give a location by the city wise, location by a city. So if I change the settings like text and changing the font size and give it the bold wise and increasing the size and increasing the like changing the color. So whatever we change, we can do that. So this is the way we can creating the plottings. Okay, oh sorry, wait a second guys. I will zoom out this. Okay, so now this is the way creating the mapping. So the time is 6:35. Okay, so last finally we can creating another plotting, that is city wise winner. City wise winner name we can decide that. I will choosing the cluster bar chart and showing like this. So I choosing the values of city wise winner count or winner name. Okay, where is that? Yeah, city wise winner count. So now bubble shape we can bubble size we can increase, but we cannot change the bubble shape. So size only is show that. There is no option to changing the size of shape of these bubbles. So another shape we cannot change. Only size only we can increase or decrease. So now you see this the count wise. So city wise winner count. So most of the team winning possibilities is having only Mumbai city. Oh sorry. So now see the Mumbai having, I think is a 200. The Mumbai is having 200, right? So nearly 200 or 180. So totally the Mumbai city is having the highest winner range. Next to Kolkata, that is nearly 100 or 90, and Delhi next third place the Delhi, fourth place is Chennai. So now you see the count of the winner 85. The Mumbai is having 173. And the Kolkata is having 93, and Delhi is a 90, Chennai is a 85, Hyderabad is a 77. So based on the city wise, the winning count is there. Like if a possibility is to passing the season. Okay. So where is the season? If I choose this, so I will try to pass it the season value into my plotting, that is season. Okay, season is it's assigning, but it does not look like good. So yes, the legend function is having the season. The legend is having to showing the categorical value. So it's not look like good. So then only we can try to creating the another plottings to visualizing the season wise also. Okay, so this is the way we can creating the IPL insights. Like this is the way we can create the plotting. So first we can create 3 plottings. Slicer. In this particular slicer is having the categorical count. So winner wise we can decide choosing the winner name, and the season wise we can choose that, and the city wise we can choose that. Now we can try to implement that. So selecting the Deccan charges. So in this particular Deccan charges is participation city, location city is then Chennai, Kochi, Bangalore, and I think it's Punjab or Gujarat. Yeah, Mumbai and Pune and Hyderabad, like Hyderabad, right? Yeah, Nagpur, Hyderabad, and the Cuttack. So most of the time the particular Deccan charges winning location is a Cuttack like that. So the Cuttack location city is won by the 3 times. The Hyderabad city is 3 times winning, and the Mumbai is a 3 time, and Cape Town is 2 time, Centurion is a 2 time, and Chennai is 2 time. So based on the winning count, based on the city wise, for the Deccan Chargers team. We're choosing the Gujarat Lions. So the values are applied. You see that the Rajkot and Chandigarh, the city, these kind of cities only the Gujarat Lions will be winning. Gujarat Titans is the mostly Ahmedabad city only is winning. And what is next one is the Kolkata Knight Riders. It's the Kolkata city. Based on the mother city, the particular team will be winning. If I choose in the Chennai Super Kings, the Chennai will come first place. Based on the native place, the particular team will be winning. Okay, so we're choosing the year. So in 2011 means 2011. In this particular year, the Chennai Super Kings winning in the Chennai location is 8 times in this particular 2011 year, and Mumbai is 2 times, and Jaipur is then 1 time. Okay, so now we choose this city means the only 3 cities are shown. So in this one both are same. The cities slicer as well as city bar chart both are same, because both are deciding from the winner's winning location, right? So this is the way we can create the plottings like dashboards. Okay, so I hope you are all understanding this concept. So in this internship uses, you will get it in the more information, more detailedly, briefly explained in this particular thing. So kindly followed by our internship, then you can understand easily. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. So this is today's concept. Today we will see about IPL insights with Power BI. So finally, in the end of this masterclass, we will see full dashboard for that dashboard creation method in the last 2 classes. I hope you understand this today's concept. So kindly bring it to your attendance. Already we can share the today's attendance link in the chat box. I pinned the attendance link in the comment for like first comment. So kindly give it your attendance. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any queries, kindly contact this WhatsApp or mobile, and kindly contact this mail ID. We will reply to you. And previous class attendance we cannot share it because the day the classes are finished, so we cannot do that. So kindly follow up our sessions in end of the session, like I think last 15 minutes before we will share it our attendance. So kindly follow our classes, then only you can give it your attendance for the daily basis. So don't miss that. Yeah. Okay, thank you all, thank you so much. So we will meet with the next session. So Dr. Tapas Kumar sir, just now I told, so we cannot in daily session, the everyday session we will share it our attendance link. So kindly you followed our session, you can properly give it your attendance. So day 14 definitely will share, we already shared, so you missed that. So don't worry. So you in upcoming session kindly follow, then only you can give it to a daily basis attendance. Okay, so thank you all, thank you so much. So see you on the next class. Yeah, thank you Mukundan, thank you.